All right, we are going to make jalapeno poppers. These are keto carnivore friendly. So you're going to get 6 to 7 medium jalapenos, 6 ounces of goat cheese or cream cheese, a cup of shredded cheddar, and prosciutto or bacon bits. I'm going to do the whipped cream cheese because it's easier to spread. And then we've got our bacon, and I'm going to do Colby Jack. And
so
make sure.
Hold on, this is ketovore friendly.
Yeah.
This is not carnivore.
Yeah. So, you've got your jalapenos, which are not technically carnivore, but I do a mixture of keto and carnivore when I eat. So I thought these sounded absolutely scrumptious. So first off, big thing, you have to wear gloves anytime you're going to handle peppers. These are gigantic on my hands because they're extra larges for him. So, but you want to make sure you wear gloves because if you touch these when you're cutting them and then touch your face or any other part of your body, you're not gonna be happy. And it even says there, I'm not even joking. So I'm just gonna put these on the baking sheet before I cut them. So we're just going to half them. And I will take them over here to the sink. I'm going to rinse out the seeds. And then we're going to get back to you once I get to filling them. Okay. We got them halved. I cleaned them out. So now they're kind of like little jalapeno boats. I'm going to get a spoon. And some cream cheese. And I'm just going to spread the cream cheese inside. The whipped is so much easier to work with, especially with something like this.
You like those big gloves?
No, it's really hard. I'm going to have to get some for my size.
And the ninja is done. Are you going to put these in the ninja?
No, I'm just going to put them in the oven since you were using it for the steaks. I've already got the oven preheated, so.
That was pretty quick.
All right. Now, I'm not going to directly touch the jalapenos, so I'm going to take my gloves off. It's a little bit easier for me to work with. Take my Colby Jack. Sprinkle a little of that on there. And then we're going to do the Black Label real bacon crumbles. This is not the fake stuff. I need to get another bag.
Another bag? Are you out?
Almost. They don't give you a very big bag of them.
Well, they like to upcharge. Oh,
all right.
Yeah.
And then they're going to go in the oven. I think it said 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheese turns golden brown and the peppers start to soften. In she goes. All right, they are done.
Those look delicious.
I'm going to cut one.
You're gonna put that
It's gonna
in?
be really hot. We're gonna let it cool down for a little bit.
Yeah, let's come back. Let these cool down a little bit, and we'll try them out. Oh yeah.
All right, we're gonna try one. We've let it cool off for a little bit. Yeah,
Good or bad?
that's good.
Good?
And it's not really spicy.
I want it
At all.
spicy.
Do you want to try this one?
I don't want it spicy.
I'm like, there's no spice. Or maybe there is.
Yeah, there's not very much spice.
Spice?
I mean spice.
Like, it's not hot at all.
Yeah. Oh, we need different jalapenos. Where'd you get those at?
Walmart.
Yeah. We need hot jalapenos. Though the rest of it's good.
Yeah.
So we're
It
gonna,
basically kind of tastes like a green pepper.
yeah, we're gonna chalk this up as a win-loss. I guess.
We're still going to eat them.
Yeah. Find some better jalapenos.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next review.
Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
And we'll see you on the next review.
See you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.